Hi,
Mm.
I know what it wants.
What?
It wants the meatloaf. Meatloaf.
No, I ate that one. I gave her dog food or pochi.
See down there?
Yeah, but the pit is already in the Tupperware.
Yeah. Your dog in Tupperware.
Look at the other one. Oh.
Run the Tupperware.
Sit down, Sam.
Yeah.
Ani away. Ay. Di na pa ako ng tail. Sabi kay Angel eh. It reminds me of Masha.
Yeah. Masha.
Bantay si Sam.
You eat some. Don't hurt, no hurting.
Kuha siya kusa. Kuha siya kusa.
Asa man ka? Nindagan man ka? Gay.
Siya ganahan mapalupig.
Di palupig, no? Si Lusa man kay kastanan gyud. Nga naman na? Di katagaan?
Wala.
Mm.
Before si Oliver gayngani, today si Sammy nagayngana. What kind of lingkod is that?
I don't know, tinapulan lingkod. Mm.
Wait, I said perfect ripe. It's a ripe one.
Why you lie down? Ikapoy mo kaon na.
Sama na.
Gahi?
Ma, ginagawa na. Saan nila?
No. No. Don't touch. No hurting. Hala, nisulod naman ka dira.